Drawing development procedure. Objective: to provide a consistent work process for development, review, approval, and issue of drawings. Applicability: for all drawings except P&IDs produced on a project, other than those projects utilizing customer drawing management systems. This procedure applies to all drawings extracted from 3D models and drawings developed using 2D drafting tools, excluding piping isometrics extracted from 3D models. Custodian engineering. Process steps. 1. Project commencement. 1.1. Understand the project scope of work. Review the project execution plan for project scope details. 1.2. Understand the engineering design system's requirements. Use the engineering design system's checklist. 1.3. Establish CAD system and obtain user guides and manuals. Set up the CAD system and access relevant guides. 1.4. Establish drawing formats, borders, and logos. Coordinate with the design system's coordinator for templates. 1.5. Establish drawing number format. Follow the document numbering system guidelines. 1.6. Register drawings. Register with document control before starting any work. 1.7. Retrieve drawing files from the customer. Obtain existing files from the customer as necessary. 8. Request drawing numbers from customer. Coordinate to obtain necessary drawing numbers. 1.9. Ensure drawing master and history files are established. Set up and maintain necessary files. 1.10. Establish electronic drawing file location. Determine the storage location for electronic files. 2. Drawing generation. 2.1. Prepare first revision of the drawing. Extract from 3D model or draft in 2D, highlighting changes for revisions. 2.2. Ensure all input data is available. Verify all necessary data is available before proceeding. 2.3. Raise technical query if necessary. Raise a query for any missing data. 3. Originator review. 3.1. Self-check the drawing. Stamp the drawing with self-check or check print. 3.2. Plot drawing and pass to originator for preliminary review. Use engineering markup or check print stamp for review. 3.3. Determine if drawing is okay to proceed to checking. Make necessary corrections if not approved to proceed. 4. Discipline internal review. Design check. 4.1. Extract check print for preliminary review. Stamp the check print as check print. 4.2. Deliver check print to checker. Provide check print and relevant documentation to the checker. Design checker completes check and signs the check print stamp. Follow the engineering checking guideline. 4.4. Review checker's comments for adherence to project requirements and sign the check print stamp. 5. Discipline internal review. Engineering check. 5. Engineering checker completes check and signs the check print stamp. 6. Discipline internal review, backdraft and backcheck. 6.1. Identify any major issues affecting models or drawings. Resolve issues and escalate unresolved conflicts to the lead discipline engineer. 6.2. Backdraft the model and/or drawings to checker's comments and sign the check print stamp. 6.3. Extract backcheck print and carry out self-check. Ensure all comments have been adequately addressed. Sign the check print stamp once comments are incorporated. 6.5. Stamp clean copy with master and file. File check prints in the history file. 7. Squad check. 7.1. Determine if a squad check is required. Refer to the squad check procedure. 7.2. Raise drawing revision issued for squad check. Follow authorized signatories as per the project execution plan. Issue for squad check. Repeat discipline internal review as per sections 4.6. 8. Customer review. 8. Determine if customer review is required. Assess if customer review is needed based on project requirements. 8.2. Raise drawing revision. Issued for customer review. Follow authorized signatories. 8.3. Issue for customer review. Retain and file the original and issue for review as per the document distribution matrix. 8.4. Markup comments in a traceable manner. Ensure comments are traceable for incorporation. 8.5. Update review register and document control system on return of drawings. File a copy of the customer comments set in the history file. 8.6. Review customer comments. Consolidate comments and update the master copy. 8.7. Identify any major issues. Resolve any major issues with the customer. Resolve issues with customer. Escalate unresolved issues to the project manager. 8.9. Determine if any technical query or project variances are required. Raise appropriate forms if required. 8.10. Raise appropriate form for technical query or project variance notification. 8.11. Revise model and/or change drawing to next revision. Incorporate agreed and approved customer comments. Identify significant changes. Repeat discipline internal review as per sections 4.6. 9. Approval and issue. 9.1. Freeze final checked and backdrafted drawing for wet signatures. 9.2. Manage the approval signature and issue process. 9.3. Sign and approve the paper print. Follow authorized signatories as per the project execution plan. 9.4. Apply professional engineer seal if required. Determine if a PDF file is required to be issued with the wet signature original. 9.6. Generate an authenticated PDF file and pass original drawing to document control. Issue drawing. Retain and file the original after issuing as per the document distribution matrix. 9.8. File checking history documents. Update the master file with latest issue. 9.10. Issue electronic drawing files to customer if required by the project. Drawing revisions. 10.1. Field changes or site queries. Determine if the drawing is a frozen key document. 10.3. Prepare markup of changes and attach a KDCN. Circulate KDCN for review and approval. Approve 6. Revise model and/or change drawing to next revision as per section 2. 10.7. Highlight the changes. Repeat checking, review, approval, and issue sequence as per sections 3 to 9 above. As building closeout. 11.1. Prepare as-built drawings. Preliminary issue if requested by customer. 12.1. Approve request for preliminary issue. Determine appropriate checking and review before release. 12.2. Stamp drawings preliminary unchecked for urgent release. Ensure proper stamping for preliminary or information-only releases. 12.3. Deliver drawings to document control for issue. 12.4. Acknowledge receipt of transmittal. Definitions. Originator. The person who initiates the development of a document and is accountable for the document content. Checker. Individual responsible for reviewing information for compliance with applicable project, customer, and industry requirements. Document controller. Person whose primary role is to manage the distribution and filing of documents. Lead discipline designer. Lead discipline designer on a project. Lead discipline engineer. Lead discipline engineer on a project. Project engineering manager. Responsible for overall engineering management across the project. By following these structured steps, the drawing development procedure ensures comprehensive and consistent documentation throughout the project lifecycle, supporting effective project management and communication.